In a world of overwhelming choice, you want the best videos, not just all videos. So we followed these 3 principles, and we built something brand new. Do you guys want to know what it is? We call it IGTV.
But what it is? Instagram just launched the promising platform for content creators, which will give little bit of competition for platforms like YouTube or Snapchat or Vimeo. But the main difference in IGTV is it's targeting mainly the smartphone, and all the videos are gonna be vertical orientation. Even YouTube recently support vertical videos, but still Instagram is better known for its stories. You can upload high quality contents, and the video time limit is near about 10 minutes to 1 hour. Even support 4K as well. Unlike stories, which is limited to 30 seconds, or normal Instagram videos, which is limited to 1 minute, and the quality really sucks. Now the main question is how to upload your videos and what should be the best export settings for your videos. It's really easy. Let me show it to you. Open the particular project you want to export, and I'm working on my Nepal video, so I'll create a small video on it. If you haven't watched my latest video from Nepal, please watch it. You're gonna love it. Now the first thing is to make a sequence with an exact resolution. There are plenty of sequence preset available. Don't look at them, directly go to the settings tab, and you have to change everything. Choose the editing mode to custom, then choose the time base or the frame rate of the video. Choose 30 fps or 60 fps, whatever you want. Then the main thing is the resolution. You have to change the resolution. To make any video or completely vertical, you have to change the frame size. Previously it was 1920 by 1080, which is known as 16:9 ratio. Now you have to change it into 9:16 ratio, or which is 1080 by 920, just completely opposite. That's all. Now save the preset. Let me name it IGTV. Now it's save under custom tab. Now name the sequence. Let me name it to IGTV render. Now I'm all done. Hit OK and start editing. See, the preview screen changes automatically. Now choose your project. Just drag and drop it on your timeline. But for the very first time you'll get this error message. Just hit the keep existing settings, else everything will be changed to previous settings, which we don't want at all. Now the solution. So there is 3 solutions. You can upload your videos on 3 different types. First one is similar to like Instagram stories. In that case, go to the video effects, increase the scale size of clippings, and you're done. Now export it. Now see the preview screen. It will look same after exporting. If you want to change any settings, do it, else hit export. You're done. Second one is you can still upload your full video in 16:9 ratio, but you have to do little bit of tricks. Again, the same clip, put it on your timeline. Now put back the same video clip again just over the previous one. Now go to video effects and decrease the scale size of the clippings, which is in top. And now for the lower clippings, increase the scale size and fill up the screen completely. You are almost done. Just for the final touch, on the left, go to effect and search blur and choose the Gaussian blur. Drag and drop the Gaussian blur into the lower clippings and set the value near about 45 to 50. Still, if you want to make it little bit cinematic, then create a black video and just put it below the topmost clippings. Now go to video effects and scale it down a little bit. Unmark the uniform scale option and then adjust this black bar for a complete cinematic bar. Hit export and you are good to go. And third one is the most easiest yet the ultimate view experience. Now I'm putting this time lapse on my timeline. Just you have to change the orientation of the screen ratio. Go to video effects and make the rotation into 90 degree and you're done. You don't need anything else. Just hit export and upload to IGTV. Trust me, it really looks beautiful. And I'm sure all this information gonna help you to upload videos to IGTV. Now enjoy IGTV and upload more awesome content here. It's really a very promising platform for us. And check out my Instagram profile as well. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And do check out all my travel videos. They're really worth watching. Until then, be happy and travel more.